Here's a rubbish mountain caused by the scumbags. I hate to say this, look at this ghost town. Bloody disgusting. Sod off with your luxury flats developers. I mean, look at these houses. They'd be much better if they weren't being taken over and CPS'd. Railing here, put my arm through. Well, the best vantage point is actually through there. I know it's naughty, but the last thing I would do is steal anything, but you know, filming what's going on isn't a bad thing. That is horrible. That was someone's home. Honestly. A lot of people have given me thumbs up for doing this around here. Sod off, bulldozers.